Darkness had fallen upon London. The date, September 2nd, 1666, a Sunday. The city slept, unaware of the coming inferno. A flicker of light, insignificant at first, danced in the darkness. It emanated from Thomas Farriner's bakery on Pudding Lane. Within minutes, the flicker grew, consuming the wooden structure. Flames reached skyward. A hungry beast awakened. The great fire of London had begun. The fire's roar soon replaced the city's slumber. Panic seized the populace as the inferno spread with terrifying speed. Wooden buildings, dry from a long summer, became instant torches. Narrow, winding streets acted as chimneys, funneling the blaze through the city's heart. London, once a symbol of prosperity and power, now danced to the fire's deadly tune. The fire's origin was as simple as it was devastating. A baker's oven, carelessly left unattended, sparked the inferno. The flames quickly ignited nearby fuel, flour, wood, and the very structure of the bakery. London at the time was a city built predominantly of wood. Its buildings, crammed tightly together, created a near-perfect breeding ground for a fire of this magnitude. Adding to the inferno's fury was a strong easterly wind. It whipped the flames westward, spreading the destruction with alarming speed. From Pudding Lane, the fire raced towards the River Thames, consuming everything in its path. Churches, homes, and even the Guildhall, a symbol of civic pride, crumbled before the relentless onslaught. The fire raged for days, an unstoppable force of nature. The fire's impact was catastrophic. It consumed 4/5 of the city, leaving over 13,000 homes and 87 churches in ruins. Around 70,000 people, the majority of London's population, were left homeless. The fire spared no one. Rich and poor alike saw their lives turned upside down. The air hung heavy with the stench of smoke and the sound of weeping. Yet amidst the devastation, a glimmer of hope emerged. Remarkably, the official death toll remained incredibly low, with only a handful of confirmed fatalities. This, however, does little to convey the true cost of the disaster. The fire's impact went far beyond the immediate physical destruction. It crippled London's economy, disrupted trade, and left a scar on the city's psyche that would take generations to heal. Section 4, Fighting the Dragon. The initial response to the fire was chaotic. Panic overwhelmed any organized effort to control the blaze. People prioritized fleeing the inferno, grabbing what meager possessions they could carry. The Lord Mayor of London, Sir Thomas Bloodworth, initially underestimated the fire's severity, famously dismissing it as a blaze a woman might piss out. However, as the fire raged, more decisive action was taken. King Charles II appointed his brother, the Duke of York, to oversee the firefighting effort. Desperate measures were employed. Buildings were demolished to create fire breaks, aiming to starve the inferno of fuel. Gunpowder was used to blow up structures in its path. Slowly, with a combination of determination and some help from changing wind directions, the fire began to subside. Section 5, Rising from the Ashes. The Great Fire of London, though a tragedy, inadvertently paved the way for a new, improved city. From the ashes rose a London rebuilt with safety and grandeur in mind. Architect Sir Christopher Wren, a visionary of his time, spearheaded the reconstruction effort. His master plan envisioned wide, straight avenues and buildings constructed from fire-resistant materials like brick and stone. Wren's vision, though not fully realized due to political and financial constraints, left an indelible mark on London's cityscape. The iconic St. Paul's Cathedral, a masterpiece of English Baroque architecture, stands as a testament to the city's resilience and Wren's genius. The fire in its wake had spurred a period of architectural innovation and urban planning that continues to shape London to this day.